Ooh. Alright. Alright, cool. It's working. Well, okay. Okay. It works. Live streaming technically works. It looks good. It looks good. Theory should act good. Yeah. All right. Where do I even begin about this week? Guess on the weekly. We walked into inauguration week bullish. We had added volume into the week. I wanted to see more movement up. That's essentially what we got. And we went up to the December open and essentially the contract open. They had rebalanced this candle essentially fully. And so that was a good reason to keep going up. SPY itself has reached an all-time high. SPY has reached an all-time high. So we are walking into Fed week at Fed. Essentially, we walked right back into Fed territory. All we've done is consolidate essentially and go back up since the last rate decision. I think it was like a quarter basis cut. We're not expecting a basis cut. I think it's Tuesday, right? If memory serves me correct. It's Tuesday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. No, Wednesday. We got on Wednesday. So, what are we looking for? Let's go through what happened. this week, essentially. Again, I think we did it last week. Yesterday. I was doing some recordings yesterday just to test this out. And what I essentially went through was this. Inauguration week happens. This is Tuesday. Always skip Monday. Like, regardless of if it's inauguration day, you're skipping Monday. Or you're like low, very, very, very low risk on Monday because you don't want to go into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday on a negative. That's never good psychologically. Tuesday, during Asia, it overnights and absolutely shorts. Tuesday, it absolutely shorts. And then at 8 o'clock, which is one of the Asia Opens, essentially, it swipes that low. That is essentially more than 40 ticks. That's not fun to take. So the real trade for that is this. You're still under settlement. You're still somewhere near settlement, but you're still under the day's open, or the week's open. No, actually you're not. Remember, this is a day's open too. These days are the same. Yeah, you have to take 9 o'clock's open, which is the Asia Open for me, and then it goes up for the rest of the day. You have to hold it past New York, past 11 o'clock, past 12, lunch. Get one more retracement at 2 o'clock, and then for 3 o'clock, you go for it, and you get 40 there. All right, but let's go through today. I'm done with that. Let's go through today. You bastards, huh? You bastards, huh? Took that to go back lower. I don't know how low they're gonna close for settlement hour, but we'll see. Settlement is essentially the previous day's high. During Asia, they go up for it, and then they short essentially overnight. This is something that we did and took profit on. Okay, let me show you the executions. Oh no, on micros. Yeah, see, there's the execution there. Slightly below it. That was on me. I could have just put the limit order and called it a day, but I think I was like rushing. And then this is where we exited, and we skipped New York essentially. Alright, so New York. Pretty much had this fair value gap to move off of in terms of the 5 minute. Goes somewhere to the middle, runs the middle, shifts here, comes back down. 830 is here. You could just take that low. You would be cleared here. I would have wanted to go and swipe that low to then go up to that high. And that could have been a good pre-market trade, but they don't do that. They essentially make you try to take this at 9 o'clock, and that doesn't work out. So right at open interest. Open interest. I do not have open interest. That's good to know. Open interest is here. Let me make it purple. Open interest takes out everyone that's remaining, creates the block right at 9:45, shifts lower here, and then it takes a while for it. Right before New York, right before lunch, they take it. Here's where you're cleared. They take it and they short. And they do it again for 12:30, and then it's just shorting all the way down there, all the way back to what my terminus was for the day, PM there. And then it goes, and I told myself, this is one of the trades I was taking. I took this to try and get somewhere lower or flush lower for there, but they stopped there, and I should have just taken out there. Instead, I got stopped out, and then that's where settlement is. All right. I'm gonna try and live stream as much as I can because it's a good way to document my trading. People want to follow along, you're free to do that. But in terms of execution, today was a pretty good day because I got out here for a little loss because I had a feeling that it was going to go back there. Sure enough, they did. And then I took it lower. Good executions today. My risk profile now is 4 micros. That's my maximum. That's my maximum. That's my maximum risk because I think 4 contracts, 20 ticks is $100, and then obviously 40 would be 200. Go for 80. It would be a $400 day. So I think that's good business. Because I would take off 3 contracts for 80 ticks and then let that run to hopefully the prayer is 160. So that way it's a $500 day or 240, which makes it a $300 day, so it would be a $600 day. But it's all about trying to close that settlement, essentially. So if you took this trade, because this is your one trade, if you took that, say that was your premise for the day, you would have to, you get your 80 here, so that would have been 300 right there, and then a close at settlement would make it 94 ticks. 3, that would have made it like 417 of a day. So that's good business to me. That's good business. Trying not to make myself get tilted anymore because I now have a mantra that one well planned out trade is 1 million times more profitable than 20 unprofitable trades. That puts some tilt and over trading into perspective. But yeah, live streaming. I'm gonna try and live stream whenever I can, but I have a YouTube channel for it now, so that's fun. All right.